Hello everyone and welcome to a closer look at my day here at 𝐼𝐤 Marine Group. My name is Mike and as a senior electrical engineer my focus is on providing the cutting-edge solution we deliver. My role is all about electrical heartbeat of our system. This often begins with intricate design work, ensuring every circuit, sensor and control system is engineered for optimal performance and safety. Whether I'm testing components here or overseeing connections in the field, I ensure our sophisticated electrical systems are perfectly implemented and optimized. This involves rigorous checks and fine-tuning to guarantee seamless operation. Every project presents its own puzzle. My job involves collaboration closely with our mechanical engineers, project managers, and even directly with clients to integrate our solutions. It's about teamwork. Troubleshooting is also a critical part of what I do. Diagnosing and solving complex electrical challenges, ensuring our systems run smoothly, is crucial for minimizing downtime for our clients. The insights we gain from initial design concepts to how our system performs in real-world scenarios are invaluable. It's incredibly rewarding to see how our electrical expertise translates into powerful, safe and efficient operations for our clients worldwide. That's what drives me every single day. Thanks for taking a look at my day at 𝐼𝐤 Marine Group.